What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up, Charlie? Quick demo video for you for your Saberforge Bane. You and I did a little trade for your Flextana, and then I installed the Golden Harvest kit that came with this saber for you. So it came with a one-button setup, which is up here, and then your micro USB seedling, which is right here. So this is for charging and then for getting to your board and everything like that, or for getting to the data and stuff. You don't need to take the pommel off because you can't get to the chassis that way. It was an all-in-one, just a resin chassis. You did have this guy that came with the kit, but I did not want to put that in there because this thing is just terrible. So I put you're not going to be able to see it in the light, maybe, a 7-pin, just a TCSS NeoPixel connector in there. So with the Golden Harvest, it has a deep sleep, so you just want to hit the button to wake it up and turn it on. Hold it to turn it off. It takes a 1-inch diameter NeoPixel blade. Sorry, I can't show you the internals, but on this particular setup from Saberforge, once you button this saber up, it's all inside. So I'm just basically, this is just real quick to show you that everything fires up right. You just tap for blaster deflex, right? So I'm just holding down the aux and twisting. Then you hold down the power when the saber's off to change fonts. We'll go through another one. Daddy issues. Just like that, and then we'll take the blade out. There's no kill key or anything that came with this kit. Basically, it relies on the board to go into a deep sleep. So that is basically your Bane. Let me know if you got any questions. If not, this guy will go out in the mail tomorrow. All right, thanks.